Good morning, my dear students. I first welcome you all to the STG First Grade College, and I am welcome you all to the first BCom classes. And I am Charan Rajach, your commerce lecturer. In the last classes, I brief you about the syllabus of Management of Banking and Insurance Services. From today onwards, we will start the syllabus. So, your first unit, banking operation. So, dear students, the first concept of this chapter is origin of bank. So, what is the meaning of origin of banks? So, it means arise of bank or birth of banks. The term bank is derived from the French word banco, which means a bench of money exchange table. So banco means it is just a table. The table is used for the exchanging of money is known as banco. So, dear students, in olden days, in European countries, so money exchangers or money lenders, they used to display the huge quantity of coins of different countries in on the benches for the purpose of lending or exchanging of money from the publics. So this is about the origin of bank. It means the arrival of banking concept. Then next, meaning of bank. So what do you mean by bank? So it means bank is an institution which deals with money and credit, and it accepts the deposits from the publics and lends fund to those who are in needed for money. So this is the meaning of bank. It means bank. We know about the bank. So bank, it is an financial institution. So it collect deposits from general publics. It means the publics, they deposit their money in the bank. That bank will collect the deposit from the public, and then bank, they convert the deposits into loans. So they lend the fund. It means they provide loans us to the general publics or the companies. So this is the general meaning of bank. Then next, definition of bank. What do you mean by bank? We know about the bank. In our daily life, we talk about bank more than 20 times. And we know all the activities of bank, but we don't know the proper definition of bank. So let's see what is the definition of bank. The bank can be defined as it is an financial institution. It is established for custody of money which it pays out on customers order is known as bank, and this is the definition of bank. By seeing this definition, we know that bank is an financial institution. It is established for the purpose of custody of money. It means receiving of money from the customers or receiving of deposits from customers and pay out on customers order. It means after receiving of deposits, if a customers needs their money, they can order to the bank to repay the deposit money The customer can order the bank to repay the money through challan or checks. So it is known as bank. In simple word, bank means receiving of deposits from customers and pay at the customer's orders is known as bank. And this is all about the definition of bank. By seeing this slide, we can know about the origin of bank, meaning of bank, and the definition of bank. And the next concept is the features of banking. So, what are the main features of banking? So, let's go through one by one. The first one is lending in money. This is the first features of banking. So what do you mean by lending in money? It means accepts deposit from the publics. So the bank will accept the deposits from publics. This is the main activity, or it means operation of bank, and pay them as a loan to the needed people. So the bank will collect the deposit from the publics. They will collect the deposit from the general public and they convert the deposits into the loan, and the bank will pay the loans to the needed people. So how the loan is generated in bank? The loan is generated by the bank through the collection of deposit. It means the bank will collect the deposit from the publics, and that same deposits is converted as a loan, and the bank will provide the loans to the needed people. So this is about the dealing in money. It's the first features of banking. Then next, acceptance of deposits. It is also main features of banking. So it means a bank accept money from publics in the form of deposits, usually repayable on the demand of customers or the expiry of fixed period. It means the bank will collect the deposit from the customers and they will repay. So they will repay that deposit amount to the customers on their demand or the expiry of fixed period. So example, we all know about the fixed deposit. The bank will collect the fixed deposits from its customers or a general publics, and they will repay that amount with interest to their customers on the demand of customers or the expiry of fixed period. And also it gives safety to the deposits of its customers. It means the publics can keep their money in their house, but there is no safety for that money because the money can theft by anyone. So there is no safety for the money of customers while keeping their money in their home. By depositing their money in the bank will provide the safety for the deposits of customers. So this is the second features of banking. So the next feature is payment and withdrawal. It means a bank provides easy payment and withdrawal facility to its customers in the form of checks or deposits. Customers can easily deposit their money to the bank, and at the same time they can withdraw that same deposits amount through the bank in the easiest way through checks or drafts. Nowadays we can withdraw our amount through ATMs, so it is also a easiest way to withdraw our amount. This is also a main features of banking. By seeing these slides, we can know about the main three features of bank. And then next main feature is name identity. This is also a main features of banking. How the name identity can become the main feature. How it will become the main feature? It means the bank should always added the word of bank to its name. By adding the word bank, the publics can easily identify that it is a bank. Example, Vijaya Bank. So that word bank, by seeing that word, we can recognize that is a Vijaya Bank or State Bank of India or Bank of Baroda or Punjab National Bank. So example, if there is a word bank is not used, we cannot know that it is a bank. So example, Vijaya, State and Punjab. So what it means? So by adding that word bank, we can easily understand that is a bank. So the name identity, it is also a main features of banking. Then next, various branches. So this is also a main features of banking. A bank can even have multiple branches for the facility of their customers. Every persons may not be able to access the main branch. So that's why the bank provide the facility of multiple branches to its customers to provide a good service. Example, now we are staying in Chinkurudi. If the main branch is situated in KRPete or Pandopura, so we should come to either KRPete or Pandopura to deposit our money or any other banking activities. If the bank provided its branches itself in Chinkurli, we can easily access the bank and we can satisfy our needs from the bank. So that is why the bank provide various branches in all over India to provide a good service to the publics or a people. So by seeing this example, we can easily understand that what is the purpose of the bank providing the branches in all over India or all over Karnataka. So the main purpose is to provide a good service and fulfill the all the needs of customers. So that's why the banks provided various branches in all over India or through all over Karnataka. So the various branches, it is also a main features of bank. So these all are the main features of banks. In today's class we learned about the origin of bank, meaning of bank, definition of bank, and the main features of bank. Thank you, dear students.